The Australian government understands the power of rugby to bring people together. Through the PacificAusSports program, we're offering pathways for Fijian players, coaches and officials to train, exchange and engage with Australia's rugby community. This enhances Australia's people-to-people links with Fiji and deepens our bonds, providing more opportunities for Fijian players, women and men, to compete in elite competitions.
Today is also a very special day as we acknowledge the pay tribute to the government and the people of Australia. It would be remiss of me not to mention DFAT's Office of the Pacific and Australian Rugby Union. Without you, you would never have seen the rise and success of our Drua men and women's team.
The opportunity that's been afforded to, you just got to go through that flying Fijian team at the moment. You got Conroy, you got Miki Niveri, you got about 6 or 7 guys, maybe even more, that have come through that system, which I don't think they may have got a chance to play in this flying Fijian team, 2 or 3 or 4 years ago.